YouTube, welcome back to another video, and if you're new here, welcome. Today's video, as you can tell, I'm going to Lake Conroe to go tubing. My first time ever being on a boat over there, so I don't know what to expect. So yeah, y'all gonna come along with me and let's see what the vibes give and what happens. Right now I'm currently getting ready. As you can tell, I put a little bit of makeup, nothing too much, because I think we're gonna be in the water or whatnot. So yeah, and then I got hurt last weekend, so I got a little bandage there to like make sure the sun doesn't hit it, because I don't want scarring and I'm scared. I hope I don't get scarring. Please, 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 please. Yeah, last weekend I went tubing and I got hurt on my face and my knees. Just terrible, scratched up everywhere. Do not go to New Braunfels river canal, I don't know what it's called, but don't go there. You're gonna get hurt. I guess just don't drink too much. That's my advice, for real. And yeah, and then I got a pimple patch right there to, you know, make sure it heals. So yeah, let me change and let's see what happens. Okay, y'all, so we're at Specs. Well, we had to come to Specs because I went to the bar where everyone's meeting at, and they were like, where's your ID? Because I sat at the bar because I wanted to get like something to eat and then go and play some pool, right? But what the fuck, the bartender, she was like, I have a picture. She was like, no, I need to see the physical ID. I'm like, you look 21, you look 21.
Bitch, if I look 21 and up, then fucking feed me some fucking food. That's all I want. Because what the fuck?
I didn't come here to drink. Like, I came here just to like meet up with everybody. And I didn't know everyone was inside. So I just went straight to the bar because, you know, it's a little like awkward. I don't know. Not awkward, but you know when you first walk into somebody, somewhere, and you get a little anxiety. Yeah, that's how I was feeling. But yeah, bro, like, what the fuck? So we're just here at Specs. We're gonna get some seltzers, and then I'm just gonna get a quick bite to eat, like from like some fast food area, and then yeah. So that's what just happened. They annoying for that because. All right, period. We're on the way to the boat. I don't know. I'm pretty sure it's that one with the blue. Yeah, you're right. I'm vlogging. Hey.
Guys, hold on. Like, it's like your other one right here.
Fucking big ass.
Hey, he didn't fall. We're good.
Hey, she about to be the first one to fall off. I bet that.